2024 ended with a banger. Solana crushed it in every sector of the crypto space, from NFTs to DeFi, and most impressively, the developer space, where it became the #1 ecosystem for new developers.
The real big thing for me was like, this is either one, a giant scam, or two, like the next thing beyond Ethereum. And luckily, like by 2021, when I made that jump onto Solana, the bet was right.
In this video, I'll help you make sense of everything developer related from the 2024 Developers Report by Electric Capital. I'll also be breaking down some of the key metrics, numbers, and even milestones achieved by the Solana developer community. In addition to that, I'll be sharing my experience based on the things I saw, the people I interacted with, and also the community I belong to. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. Electric Capital is an engineering-led global venture capital firm, and what they do is that they invest in early-stage crypto and frontier technology. They're also known for their consistent research into developer activity in the crypto space, which is why we are making this video in the first place. Every year, they release a developer report that tracks how many developers are building in crypto, where they are located, and which ecosystems are growing the fastest. The 2024 report analyzed over 902 million code commitments across 1.7 million repositories. That's a lot of data, and guess what? Solana stole the show. So in 2024, Solana became the top ecosystem for new developers, growing by a whopping 83% compared to the previous year. And this is the first time since 2016 that any ecosystem has attracted more new developers than Ethereum. But how did this happen? What changed? And what did the Solana developer community do differently? Well, one of the biggest drivers of Solana's success in 2024 was its hackathons. These events weren't just competitions, they were breeding grounds for innovation and collaboration. But then, what actually makes these hackathons different from hackathons in other ecosystems? According to Colosseum, the organization behind these hackathons, they've always made it clear that these hackathons are not just about writing codes or winning prizes. They're about creating a level playing field where the most talented crypto builders around the world can come together, showcase their potential, and launch startups that will shape the future of Solana. So everyone participating in these hackathons maintains that same mindset. Another thing is that Colosseum isn't just a hackathon organizer. They're a powerhouse that integrates 3 key pillars: hackathons, accelerator programs, and a venture fund. The hackathons are designed to attract and discover the best crypto builders around the world, and over a period of 5 weeks, these builders come together to compete and build projects that can significantly increase on-chain activity. But it doesn't just stop there. The winners of these hackathons don't just walk away with the prizes, they also get opportunity to join the Colosseum's accelerator program, an 8-week online bootcamp designed to turn their ideas into real thriving startups. And here's the kicker: teams accepted into the accelerator receive an upfront investment of $250,000 from Colosseum. They also get access to one-on-one mentorship, exclusive founder network, and a private demo day where they can pitch their product to top VCs. So if you look at it closely, it is really not just about building. Colosseum makes sure that whatever it is that you're building eventually becomes something that lasts. And one thing I personally love about this hackathons myself is that they make you think like a founder. Yes, writing code is important, but it is just one piece of the puzzle. Other areas like go-to-market strategy, founder product fits, pitch decks, product demos are just as critical and sometimes even more important than code itself. So these hackathons push you to think beyond the technical side alone, and it helps you focus on how your project will thrive in the real world. And because of all of these elements, the prizes, the perks, the opportunities, these hackathons have become a magnet for builders in the crypto space. That is why the Renaissance Hackathon saw over 8,300 developers from 95 countries come together to submit 1,071 projects, making it the largest Solana hackathon at the time. Then the Radar Hackathon took things to a whole new level, with over 10,000 participants and 1,359 projects submitted, and that made it the largest crypto hackathon ever. That's crazy. But it doesn't just stop there. Aside from these two massive hackathons, several others like Blackathon, Talent Olympics, and so many more made huge contributions to the community. Not only did these events bring builders together, they actually helped grow the ecosystem, onboard new talents, and push the boundaries of what is possible on Solana. This is just mind blowing. I could go on and on talking about these successes without ever getting tired. And of course, none of this would have been possible without the unwavering support of amazing communities like Superteam, Solana developers, Solana Turbine, Solana Uni, and so many more. These communities have been the backbone of Solana's growth, and their efforts continue to inspire builders around the world. 2025 is already shaping up to be even bigger for Solana, with each hackathon attracting more developers and more projects going live. The ecosystem is growing faster than ever, and we can expect to see even more innovation in areas like DeFi, DePIN, gaming, and AI, and as well, new use cases we haven't even thought of yet. Just a few weeks into the year, the current president of the United States, Donald Trump, launched a token on Solana. Not just him, Faustin Archange, the president of the Central African Republic, also launched a token on Solana. So these aren't just headlines, they're proof that Solana is the go-to blockchain for real-world impact. Oh, and if you're a builder, make sure to mark your calendars. The next Colosseum Hackathon is coming up in March. If history is any indication, it is going to be bigger, better, and more groundbreaking than ever. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.